Hello friends, welcome back. I am Achintya Hazra. I hope you are all good in this situation. Today we will do a lot of fun in this painting. There will be no restriction. There will be some random strokes together. You can see how beautiful a reflection is seen in this painting. There are a lot of boards, so through the minimum stakes. I am using cobalt blue, lavender, orange, scarlet lake, French ultramarine. Whenever you make water in a painting, definitely keep in mind that it has to be done on fallen. Okay, I am using French ultramarine, cobalt blue and Spanish grey for the dark tone. The scenery that is water and far away will be all over the hill. You can see how beautiful water has a different color in the reference photo, such as light orange, yellow ochre, and along with this we will use dark color so that it mixes with the color behind. Wherever there is a light color, you will have to use this dark color. I am using a little more dark color here and sketching in this way shows some activity. Some thin strokes, pole reflection. Now we will color on the main subject. And I am using cobalt blue, turquoise. There is a lot of boats here, and in this way we show using strokes. As you can see, dark color on the underside of the board, and this is reflection. I am using color French ultramarine, minimum Pence gray, scarlet lake, and this is Spanish gray for dark tone. Bottom of the boat. Some important strokes for more activity. Yes, this part is very interesting when you apply the reflection part. This time my paper is dry. You can see in the reflection reference photo I am always follow this reference. Minimum strokes and maximum effort. This brush is a rigger brush. And in this way the brushes helps to work thin. One more brush. I am using red and scarlet. This paper is Paper-Febriano 300 GSM rough. We will make those poles on top of some boards now. This will increase the activity of the paintings. I am making something wires. I am having a little difficulty speaking English. Still trying so that you understand. More lining. Thank you friends, thanks for watching and thanks for support. And here my paintings completes. You can practice it if you want and share me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.